Hey guys, Lane here with DTO Customs with another exciting Get to Know DTO video, one of our most recent builds. It's a 2020 Jeep Wrangler JLU Sport S with a ton of custom upgrades that give this build a clean yet aggressive look. Let's check it out. So the first thing I want to note is the color. This JL Wrangler comes in the new Sarge Green color, which we have color matched some of the upgrades to really make it pop. Now, for the lift, we added one of our favorite lifts, the Falcon 3.5-inch lift kit, making space for these slick XD Series gloss black wheels with the milled edge, wrapped in 35-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tires, giving this JL a great stance, making it off-road capable while still maintaining a smooth ride on the road. Next, we added these new Road Armor front and rear bumpers with front integrated LED lights and the rear with integrated factory parking sensors, as well as these upgraded Rigid Industries LED cubes. The rear bumper also has a spare tire carrier, D-rings, as well as this off-road high lift jack to complete the package. We also added the Road Armor thin wall steel fenders and Road Armor side steps and fender liners with the color-matched Road Armor inserts to match the exterior paint. Lastly, we added the Weston pillar-mounted LED cube lights and LED light bar, all of which have sleek, custom integrated switches added to right into the center console, giving a clean look. This is the perfect Wrangler. Now, remember that DTO Customs proudly offers our entire sales process online, with shipping available straight to your door. Give us a call today or visit us online to learn more at dtocustoms.com. Follow DTO Customs on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates of our inventory right in your newsfeed. Thanks for watching.